We're back in the shop with the car. This weekend should have been SGMP weekend, but it was actually canceled due to weather-related things, I believe. I guess the weather was just supposed to be bad. So they rescheduled it for, what was it, the 4th weekend in April, Dad?
4th, I think so.
Yeah, 4th, it's the 23rd and 24th of like April or something like that. So we're back in the shop with the car. Car technically wouldn't have needed to come back in the shop, but in Orlando, I backed up and I heard a funny noise in the rear end. I wasn't a fan of the noise because I hadn't heard it. Car could have just been in a bind. We definitely don't like taking stuff apart that doesn't need to come apart. But we're gonna take the rear end cover off, right?
Yep.
We're gonna take the rear end cover off, check it, make sure nothing is gonna break. When we do go to the baby gators in 2 weekends, should be there in 2 weekends.
Yeah, I think we're off next weekend, and we're supposed to be racing this weekend.
Yeah, we were supposed to be racing this weekend at SGMP. They rescheduled it, and then we had next weekend off, and then the weekend after that was baby gators. So right now we're gonna take the cover off, and that's what's happening today. Thank you. Is it? Do I need to take them off in a certain order?
No, it doesn't matter.
Will the silicone hold it on?
Yeah, it's not going nowhere.
Took a minute for that one to break free.
Yeah, they're probably pretty tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're probably gonna want to just run them right out of there. And just throw them in here. That's fine. And we'll probably...
Silicone, actually, no, because we're gonna lose them. Do we have a small
Nah,
box?
nah, put them right there. That's where I'm gonna be working. It's fine. And I'm gonna try to maybe swap these out for, like, see, some of these I had to use a different, these are like chrome plated. I don't even know where these came from. I don't know if they came with it or what.
I don't know.
They look chrome, they don't necessarily look stainless. But I need to get, I'll get new stainless ones because those ones for some reason are rusted.
It's crooked. Oh, it's because of the silicone.
It's because of the silicone. It's because of the silicone, eh?
I don't know if it's straight.
Well, that was broken. It's just a washer. It just split.
Why did it split?
Whatever.
Whatever, man.
Whatever, man.
Why would it split like that?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say Chinese POS.
Piece of shit.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can read.
I'm gonna try to leave that cover on the plate.
For what?
I'm gonna try to leave that cover on the plate. I'm gonna try to separate the plate from the housing.
Okay.
But this silicone that's on here is heavy duty, so
Heavy duty. Oh, you mean this? Yeah?
yeah.
thing gonna fall off?
I don't know. I think we could probably leave the bolts out of it and it wouldn't come out. Man, that thing is in there. On there good.
Well, at least we know it's on there.
That was not falling off.
No. But the brake did.
I do see some. I see some gear oil, so it is loosening up. Grab the wheelie bar, the end of it, just to make sure that this thing doesn't just fly out of here.
Oh, great.
Just to give it a little support.
Back in the shop a couple days later, we're gonna put the rear end back together. We just got to scrape off the excess silicone chunks and everything that we've got on it, but the rear end looks fine. It's good, so we're gonna put it back together today.
Yeah, you don't have to get that out of there. That hole's gonna stay plugged.
I know. How was work today?
It was fine. It was work. You know? It wasn't bad. It wasn't good.
It was just
I'd rather be doing this than be at work, but I'd rather I don't know. You have to be careful working on a race car with a razor blade, because sometimes it makes you want to slit your own damn throat. All this stupid shit.
Dad.
What? You can cut that out.
Stop. Psycho.
Clean, clean, clean.
Hate that.
Yeah, but this is what works. I don't necessarily like it either, but you got to get it fairly clean. But this silicone, wherever it went.
It's over there. I feel like the silicone will stick to anything.
Yeah, this is the silicone you want to use on anything that you
You
don't
want to
want to
seal.
leak. If you want something to leak, don't use this. Because this,
Ow! It smacks my elbow.
you'll be done, you gotta be tough. You don't want something to leak, that's what you use. I think this stuff will seal anything. Almost anything. Wouldn't have held all the oil in the last engine. They had big holes in the side of the block, it wouldn't seal that.
I mean, we didn't try, technically. But you're right, it probably wouldn't have. But technically we didn't try. What was that?
It was this,
Oh, the thing.
yeah.
The thing, little bobber. Oh, I just stuck my hand in the oil. Genius.
Now you need soap.
Well, good thing we have some here. I've been trying to get this one piece.
Watch. I know it ruins the razor blade, but that's what it's about. That's pretty good.
Do you want me to move?
Well, I want you to watch your eyes.
Um,
Really got to get this car clean. The underside of this car is too damn nice, and we spent too much time on it to kind of let it look like this. Yeah, they all should be snug, unless I missed one. Just make sure they're snug, and that's it.